kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome to Janaki's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Shahi Paneer, and for making Shahi Paneer the ingredients are, so here I'm having 230 grams of paneer, which is also called as cottage cheese. So for making Shahi Paneer gravy we need 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 1 roughly chopped onion, 2 garlic roughly chopped, an inch and a half roughly chopped ginger, 2 cloves, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, 2 dry red chilies, 10 to 12 black pepper and 2 bay leaves, 3 tomatoes roughly chopped. I'm going to make a gravy with all these ingredients along with tomato for Shahi Paneer. And for the masalas I have turmeric half teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of Shahi Jeera, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 cup of fresh cream for garnishing at the end, and also for garnishing we need fresh coriander leaves and a teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves, and I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon for making the gravy and half tablespoon while making Shahi Paneer, and you can use oil as well instead of ghee. Heat the kadhai or pan in a medium heat and add a tablespoon of ghee to it. Add all the whole spices, and I have crushed bay leaves here. Now add roughly chopped ginger and garlic and cook it for a minute. Now add roughly chopped onion and cook it for a minute. Now add black pepper, dry red chili and cashew nuts and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now add roughly chopped tomatoes. Now I'm adding less than half a teaspoon of salt just for tomato and onion. I'm not adding any water to it, but if you think that it's too dry then you can add half a cup of water to it and cook it then. Cover it with the lid and cook it in low flame for 10 minutes or until the tomatoes are cooked. So after 10 minutes it's completely cooked, and I'm going to turn off the gas now. Make a smooth paste. Now heat the pan in medium and place the paneer on it. Cook paneer for a minute or two from both sides or until it turns golden brown in color. I'm not adding any oil to fry it from the both sides, but if you want to add oil you can add it. Once paneer is done, cut it into small cubes or cut it into the shape you want. Now take a kadhai or pan and heat it between medium to low flame. Now add half a tablespoon of ghee. When the ghee is hot, add Shahi Jeera to it. Now add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, add coriander powder and mix it well. Now I'm adding the paste. I have added 1/4 cup of water here. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar, around half a teaspoon of salt or to your taste. Now add the fried paneer, and I have added 1/4 cup of water as well. You can adjust the thickness of the gravy according to your taste. So in total I have added half a cup of water. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes in low heat. After 20 minutes, add 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. Now cook it for a minute in low heat. After 1 minute, turn off the heat. Crush dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi in between your two palms and add it to the Shahi Paneer. Now add chopped coriander leaves and our Shahi Paneer is ready. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time with another new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.